Hey, what's up guys, this is Pruthvi and welcome back to the another video on my channel. So guys, आज के इस वीडियो में आपको दिखाऊंगा एक ऐसा अमेजिंग कमाल का फीचर फोन जहां पर आप इसे हैकिंग के लिए काफ़ी अच्छी तरीके से इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो। सो गाइज, इसी के बारे में डिटेल्स में जानने के लिए लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो। सो गाइज, इंट्रोड्यूसिंग वाईफोन, जो कि हैकर्स की तरफ से बनाया गया है हैकर्स के लिए, जहां पर आपको यहां पर फ्री कॉलिंग का ऑप्शन मिल जाता है जो कि है वाईफाई कॉलिंग। यहाँ पर आप इससे हैकिंग की दुनिया में काफ़ी अच्छी तरीके से काफ़ी कुछ सीख सकते हो। इसके बारे में आपको यूट्यूब में कई सारे वीडियोस मिल जाएंगे या फिर आपको गूगल में इसके बारे में आर्टिकल्स मिल जाएंगे जहाँ पर आप उन्हें पढ़ के अच्छी तरीके से इन्हें ऑपरेट कर सकते हो, जहाँ पर आपको हैकिंग की थोड़ी फॉर नॉलेज तो होनी ही चाहिए। सो गाइस, इसके प्राइस के बारे में अभी तो कुछ भी मेंशन नहीं किया गया है, तो चलिए यहाँ पर ट्रेलर देखते हैं।
wiphone is a VoIP mobile phone and development tool designed by hackers for hackers. Tools like dev kits and breakout boards are great for prototyping, but there's a lot of work between a messy prototype and something your spouse or boss could appreciate. Modern phones have enough compute power to land a man on the moon, and a user interface even a kid can understand. But they aren't designed for hacking and making. What would it look like if we combine the power and simplicity of mobile phones with the adaptability of our favorite dev board? What if we could easily develop our own apps instead of using the prepackaged ones from our friendly neighborhood IoT company? What if you could keep your project in the living room instead of exiled to the basement? What if you could understand the whole OS and change it how you want? The wiphone is designed for hackers, not passive consumers. You're encouraged to tear it apart and repurpose it. You're allowed to change the firmware from the ground up. It can be completely disassembled in under a minute. The back of the phone is a PCB you can swap out for something new or replace with your own design. Signals are transferred through spring contacts, so you don't even need a connector. And it makes free calls over Wi-Fi. Hi, this is Ben from the wiphone team. I want to make a phone for engineers and hardware hackers like me. We've been working on the wiphone for about a year now, and many of you have been along for the ride as we went from the basic prototypes to the pre-production units you see today. It's been a blast so far, and now we need your support to help us finish the design, buy our tooling, and go into production. With your help, we can build a phone designed by hackers for hackers. A tool to help you on your next awesome project. And even if you're not a hacker, it can make free calls over Wi-Fi.